when the sun is stable, it doesn't move. Only Earth, it spins, right? So when Earth keeps spinning like this, it spins, it spins. Now, the other countries, they used to have the night, now they have the day. Like here, America and Australia, they have the day. Because Earth is spinning, and now these countries, they are in front of the sun.
What have in Australia?
What do we have in Australia? Australia is known by the kangaroos and crocodiles and big spiders, okay?